Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to make and use the oil deep mining drill in the tier 5 in Icarus. First of all, you'll need to have the manufacturer and all of these things, as you can see here, unlocked. Also you'll need some kind of a oil generating setup. In my case it's an organic extractor, which is making some biofuel from fibers, which is then transported using these pipes to the natural oil refiner and stored inside of oil barrels and oil cans. Now, you'll also need the polymerizer to make some compounds, which you can make from refined oil by just filling up an oil can or oil barrel, placing it inside of the polymerizer and crafting compounds. You'll need 15 of them. Nextly, we will need some steel screws, which can be made inside of a fabricator or manufacturer from one steel ingot. Nextly, aluminium ingots can be made from smelting aluminium ore inside of a concrete furnace or higher. Electronics can be made from copper and gold wire and some organic resin and epoxy. And lastly, carbon fiber can be made in the material processor as carbon paste, which is made from silica or aluminium ingots, organic resin and epoxy, which is then smelted inside of a electric furnace to make the carbon fiber. So once you've gathered and crafted all the materials you'll need, you can go ahead and craft it. Also you'll need the oil can with you, which is then filled. And now using the deep mining ore scanner, we can find some deep ore deposits. So as you can see, I've found some silica deep mining ore deposit. Now I'll place the oil deep mining drill inside of my slots and place it down. After that, you want to place the oil can inside of it and click activate. Now the oil deep mining drill is working, and here you can see the rate at which it mines certain ores. In my case, it's 3.5 silica ores per minute. So this is going to be all. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.